Just short of straw, I'm ballin'. 20 of the spies are calling. When we let it slide, is you cool?
Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. In today's video, today is April 30th, by the way, and today we are about to unstuff our bills binder, and I'm going to head to the bank. That way I can pay my bills for May. So you guys know rent time coming up. Rent's due on the 1st. I have my insurance due on the 2nd. I have the phone bill, all the bills, whatever bills I have. Basically, we're unstuffing the bills binder and we are heading to the bank to deposit that money and get the bills paid. Okay, I have to say I'm super duper drained. I'm so tired. You guys, I've been so tired trying to put together all the binders, getting them ready for the shop. I am exhausted. So I did finish stuffing rent. I know I didn't get to record that, but I did stuff the remainder of what was needed into rent. So right now in the bills binder, every single thing is there that we need. All our bills are covered and we're just gonna unstuff. Okay, so let's get into the rent envelope, and the rent is $1,500 and me and my boyfriend split the rent, so my half of the rent is $750. So let's see, we have 100, 200, we have 300, 400, 450. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's 650. We have 100. So we have 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we have 750. And that is my part of the rent. So right here we have the 750 for the rent. Next up we have utilities, and the utilities for this month was 100, and I think he said it was 140 this month. So we do split that in half as well. So 70 and 70, 140. So we have 20, 40, 60, and we have 70. So that's my 70 for my utilities. And listen, I don't know what you guys believe. I know there is some not misunderstanding, but everybody have their own beliefs on how they think this thing is supposed to go. Some people said that they would not be with a man and pay half the bills. The man got to cover all the bills. Other people say, you know, it's fine. They don't mind. For me, I feel like if you and your spouse are not in, well, your spouse, your man, if your man's not in a certain position as yet to cover other bills, I don't see why you guys can't do it together. You know, I feel like two hands should clap. That's me personally. Now, if he was making millions and millions of dollars and if he was in a better position where he was making more money, where he could cover the bills by himself, then yeah, he should cover the bills. But if you guys are both, me and my boyfriend, we are both young. Like, we both 26. We both trying to make it in life. We could do this together. We have a daughter together. It's both of us first child. We moved in together recently, probably like a year and a half ago. You know, I think it all depends on situations. You guys tell me what you think down below, but I think it all depends on the situation that the person is in. If the person is in a certain, like, you know, the situation to do it all, then he should. I mean, if he's not, then it's different. Both of y'all should do it together. I think two hands clap. You can't, how you gonna clap with one hand? I think two hands clap. So that's me personally, what I think. Let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of people make a big deal out of it, and girls be like, oh, I'm not talking to no man if they ain't paying the bills and yada yada yada. I get that, honey, but listen, if both of y'all love each other, find love, and y'all young and y'all trying to figure out life, it's different because, you know, you can't really expect a person to put all the pressure on somebody when overall, 2 hands clap. That's what I'm saying. 2 hands clap. Next, we have the phone bill. My phone bill is $120. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. So I have my 120 here for my phone bill. And next up, we have my car insurance. My car insurance is $300, sadly. I don't know why, but anyways, you know, I just got into a car accident, so probably that have something to do with it, which I think not, because even before I got into the accident, my car insurance was high. So I don't know if y'all have any car insurance tips down below, please drop them on me, baby, please. So my car insurance is $300. So let's go 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So here go my $300 in my car insurance. It's there. And then I have car payments. I don't know if you guys remember, I was telling you that I have a part-time job that I get paid monthly. When I do that part-time job, that money is put up for my car payments. Like, I literally use that job to pay my car payments. My car payment is on the 20th of every month, and that specific part-time job is used to pay my car payment. That's all that that's all it does. It pays my car payment. So that's why I don't have anything in here yet, because it's the end of the month, but I'm not getting my check until around, today is Sunday, I'm not getting my check until Tuesday, Wednesday, and I have to unstuff my bills because my rent and stuff are due tomorrow. So that's why this is empty. And now, last but not least, we have subscriptions, and I have $25 in my subscriptions. This is to pay for my Acuity scheduling app that I use to book my clients. So that's what that $25 is. So the bills are unstuffed, binder is empty and ready to go for next month. Ugh. Ready to go for next month. What if we didn't have to pay bills? Wouldn't that be great? Like, what if we could have lived here in the world for free? We ain't gotta pay no bills, you know. The world just worked that way where we didn't have to pay bills. That would be great, wouldn't it? I know. So let's see how much money we got here. Let's get my calculator, because y'all already know how my brain works. You guys already know my brain don't work. You guys already know that my brain don't work. All right, so let's see. We have 200. We have 250. 250. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60. Whoops. I gotta do that again. I gotta do that again. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's 400 before I forget. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's 3. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's 100. 10, 15. All right. So this is the bills for the month. We have $1,265 in total right here. This is excluding my car payment. My car payment would have been, so it would have been $15.65 with my car payment. So this is my total expense. Well, not expense. This is my total bills for the month. Well, it is a fixed. It's fixed. It doesn't really change. So basically, every month I have to pay $15.65. Yeah, this is the bills. And we, my friend, we are heading to the bank tomorrow to deposit this and get our bills paid. Oh my God, it's been a nice, the month hasn't been that bad, I have to say. Like, to be honest with you guys, it was a slow month for me. It was definitely a slow month for me, because this month with my makeup and eyelash business, I didn't make that much money this month. I literally only made my bills. Like, I didn't really make any extras to stuff away anywhere when it comes to my makeup and lashes. I literally just made the $12.65 that was on this calculator is what I made this month. So it was definitely a slow month for me. I know next month, which is May, is gonna be way better, because next month is prom, and I've already have a lot of appointments on my calendar for next month. So I already know next month is going to go better than this month did. So that's the thing, when you have a business, it's never like every month it's great. Every month is not great, to be honest, guys. Like, every month is, you have to be hustling, you know, trying to fight. I took up the wrong envelope. Y'all don't see that say balance? My battery just died, y'all. But anyways, I forgot what I was saying, because I had to go format my memory card and all that. But what I was saying was I picked the wrong bag. This is for my makeup. So this is the bank bag, and we're heading to the bank to deposit our bills to get them paid. Okay, that was it for the bills unstuffing for this month, for the month of May bills. We're looking forward to a new month. We're looking forward to a brighter month next month. We're looking forward to more income for next month. So we'll see how that goes. And I want to say thank you guys for watching the video, and thanks for sticking around on the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count the